Hey everyone and welcome to our channel. This video will be a step-by-step guide on creating a LinkedIn company page from scratch. In this guide, we'll be diving deep on optimizing every single section and component for your page, some insider design tips, and much more to get your company page up and running. But first, for those unfamiliar, let's talk about what LinkedIn company pages are for. LinkedIn company pages are specialized public profile pages specifically designed for businesses and organizations to get your professional brand and presence on LinkedIn. With over 740 million users, LinkedIn company pages are vital for showcasing your brand, products, services, and culture. It's also important if you're recruiting top talent, building authority and trust, engaging with your target audience, and much more. So in short, company pages are the central hub for your business's complete LinkedIn marketing and operations. But of course, you need to know how to properly create and optimize one. Let's discuss LinkedIn's current requirements for creating company pages. You essentially only need two things: a personal LinkedIn profile and a verified email address. You need an existing personal profile because LinkedIn wants to ensure that's a real person managing the page behind the scenes. But don't worry about that. Visitors to your company page, they won't be able to see your personal profile or that you created the page. Your profile will remain totally anonymous. Your personal profile should use your real first and last name. Don't use an alias or a company name, as LinkedIn's algorithm may flag your account as suspicious. Also, if your personal profile is completely empty with no connections, you may get an error when trying to publish the page. LinkedIn recommends building up your profile over a few weeks first. And you need to at least have one verified email address associated with your personal profile. This typically happens automatically when you create your LinkedIn account. And as long as you can receive emails from LinkedIn, that means your address is already verified. And one final note, company pages can only be created on desktop as of right now. You can edit parts of the page on mobile, but the initial setup must be done on a computer. Alright, now that we've got the requirements fully covered, let's dive into creating a detailed sample company page from the ground up. So to get started, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account on desktop or laptop. In the top right corner, click on the work icon to access your business tools. This will open an expanded menu bar. Scroll down until you see the Create a Company Page option. Go ahead and click on that to begin. You will now be shown three choices for the type of page that you want to create. Company page for most standard business needs. You will have Showcase page for establishing specific subpages under an existing company page, and a University page for educational institutions. So for this guide, we'll select company page to create our primary business profile page. The second step that we have is entering your company's basic information. We'll first need to enter the following basic information: your official company name, your website URL, primary industry. LinkedIn will auto-generate an available vanity URL for your page based on your company name. However, you can customize this further for branding if you prefer that. Just get it right the first time, since LinkedIn only allows changing the custom URL once every 30 days. Next up, you'll need to add details like company size, type, if it's like public, private, and etc. Then you've got the logo, and for best quality, upload a 300 by 300 pixel logo image. Also, if available, I highly recommend using this section to add your company's tagline or slogan. You know, short, memorable taglines can go a long way in building brand recognition and interest with visitors. And now on the third step, craft a compelling about section. One of the most important parts of optimizing your company page is writing an engaging about section. The section enables you to tell your brand story and explain exactly what your company does. Be sure to cover your products and services, a founding story, company values and mission, what makes you unique or different, also any major achievements and awards, and anything else that captures why your business stands out. Incorporate relevant keywords and phrases that potential customers may use to search for companies like yours. This helps increase visibility when prospects are searching on LinkedIn. You can also highlight notable partners, certifications, specialties, or anything else that boosts your credibility. The About section allows you to grab attention fast and also communicate what makes your brand worth caring about. So try to be thorough and don't hold back compelling details. Also, length is not really an issue if the content is engaging. After finishing your About section, LinkedIn will guide you through completing additional information sections such as your contact information, any locations, the company details, services offered, product categories, any social media links, and much more. Some of these sections are required while others are optional, but I highly recommend thoroughly completing every section possible, even if you end up keeping them brief. The more comprehensive your page, the more legitimate and authoritative your company looks to visitors. Empty sections look sloppy and inauthentic. Now for some tips, you should toggle between View as Member and View as Admin at the top of your page to see what visitors see and ensure info displays properly. You can revisit these sections frequently to update new locations or achievements, any product offerings, open roles, and the other details as your company grows. And now for the fifth step, a crucial design component for visually branding your page is choosing an eye-catching header image. This large banner appears right at the top of your company page and is highly visible real estate. For the best results, create a high-quality, visually striking image that aligns with your industry and captures attention while conveying your brand identity. Avoid any cluttered images or blocks of text. Let the image make an impact on its own. This header visually sets the tone for your company, so choose thoughtfully. You've got Adobe Express and Canva, which are great tools for designing custom banners and headers. Once your page setup is nearly complete, LinkedIn will encourage you to publish a post to start establishing your brand's presence and voice. While it's fine to publish a hello world post to get the ball rolling, I generally recommend having an intentional thought leadership focused content strategy and some kind of calendar in place before sharing posts. Inconsistent posting won't have much impact, but thoughtful content published consistently will build engagement and authority with your audience over time. Also, make sure to explore the built-in analytics on your company page to identify opportunities, track growth, and optimize your approach over time. Some key metrics to analyze include follower growth, content engagement, page visitors, you've got the referral traffic to your site, content consumption trends, and much more. Monitoring these analytics will enable you to fine-tune your content and engagement strategy based on data and insights. The next step is to integrate your company page into your website. To help amplify your LinkedIn company page, integrate follow and share buttons onto your website. This allows site visitors to easily follow your page and share content without leaving your website. To do this, simply go to your page admin, tools, and follow button. Grab the code snippet to add to your site code. Do the same for the share button under tools. Adding these seamless call to actions helps boost followers and engagement. And now let's also quickly cover how to return to your page after the initial setup. You can search for your page by name in LinkedIn's main search bar, or click your profile icon, see all, manage to access your company page admin tools. It's also wise to bookmark the page URL for quick access later. And that will be a wrap on how to expertly optimize every element of your LinkedIn company page from the ground up. Let us know if you have any other questions, and if you found this video valuable or informative, let us know by clicking that like button and subscribing so you don't miss out on any valuable content that we create.